If you care about good coffee on the go, this might interest you. Hi everyone, today we are looking at the Geimori T38 Grinder. I've been using this wine for a while now, even took it with me while traveling, so I want to share my real experience with it. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. First thing you notice is how compact it is. It doesn't take up much space at all, whether it's in your kitchen or in your travel bag. But what surprised me is the weight. It's heavy in a good way, it feels solid and premium in the hand, and you really feel like you are holding something well built. The design is clean and minimal, nothing flashy, just functional and well put together. The body feels strong and stable while grinding. There is no wobbling, no strange noises. Everything feels tight and precise. You can tell it's made to last. I use this grinder mostly for espresso while traveling. You just load the beans, start grinding and go. Charging is simple. It uses USB-C, so I just plug it in like this. Now let's start with brewing espresso. I will use 18 grams of coffee beans. Just put the beans inside. The espresso settings is around 1 to 10. I like this magnetic effect. So simply push here the button. I find this noise very cute, to be honest. And yes, for espresso it does take a little bit longer compared to electric grinders. But honestly, it's worth it. So as you can see, about 3 minutes. Let's check the results. Looks really nice. So let's prepare the pack. Moment of truth. And yes, this is a real espresso. Believe it or not, but it also has a crema. Alright, let's grind for filter coffee. Something between 35 and 60. So as you can see, less than 1 minute. Let's check it. Looks nice. Alright, let's check the results. Looks nice. Cheers. Very good filter coffee. This grinder does a really good job. Final thoughts. It's one of those grinders that makes sense if you care about good coffee but don't want to carry a big setup. I really liked using it while traveling. It's compact enough to fit easily in a bag. And because it's solid, I wasn't worried about it getting damaged. So what I really like about it, it is very compact, heavy and solid premium feel, simple to use, great for travel, good grind consistency. What is less amazing? For espresso, be ready to put in a bit more time, but if you don't mind it, the results are definitely worth it. Overall, the Geimori T38 feels like a serious little grinder, compact, strong and reliable, especially if you are someone who travels, but still wants proper coffee. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you in the next video.